to sail under a lot of low bridges. When we sail under the bridges, it is important that you stay seated and that you don't touch the bridges. And the first one we are sailing under is very low, so please be careful, ladies and gentlemen. Venstre hånd. Der var en stor diskussion om, hvad skulle være det første stykke, der skulle opføres derinde, det skulle være. Og så var der nogen, der sagde, at det skulle være noget traditionelt dansk. Nej, det skal være noget internationalt, så alle kan være med. Og så var der en, der sagde, nej, der findes et stykke, der passer på begge dele. Og det var jo det her, at være eller ikke at være, nemlig Shakespeares Hamlet finder sted. Så herovre på højre hånd, der har vi altså den sorte diamant, bygget i 1999. When the sun rises from the east, it shines into the home to the Danish Architectural Center, and because it is home to the Danish Architectural Center, we asked the man from the Netherlands to create it for us. Og det ligner lidt på os, eller en skibscontainer, det vil jeg lade være med, kan man sige. Og man bare prøver at snyde i skat, ja, så har tolderen altså for indkøbt vægtigt. Coming up in front of us is the Inner Harbour Bridge, it is called. It is also more locally known as the Kissing Bridge, ladies and gentlemen. So wet those lips and get them ready. No, it comes back in together in a tender kiss. And that is why it's called the Kissing Bridge. Så det er altså Inderhavnsbroen, vi har heroppe foran os, og den hedder jo altså lokalt kendt som Kyssebroen, fordi at åbne- og lukkemekanismen ligner, at det er to læber, der in the 1800s were home to sailors, soldiers, ladies of the night, and actors and actresses in Nyhavn, where he lived. And he lived there because he would hang out with the actors and actresses, and because the Royal Theatre is just up on the square to your left. Der står om bag ved Torvaldens Museum, det er bygget i 1920'erne, og det er altså det eneste sted i verden, hvor man har magtens tredeling samlet et sted, altså den udøvende magt. It took 100 years for them up to sail, and then Danish and German merchants moved in and created what we see today. Så her har vi altså Christianshavn over på højre side, og det var Christian den 4., der fik det. Han har været i Holland og set, hvordan han
Y ahora pasamos debajo del puente, de uno de los varios puentes, y ahora por una zona residencial donde no van a hablar, porque hay que respetar.
Is the one here to the right hand side is the one where King Frederick X and Queen Mary of Australia, they live with their 4 kids. Så her på højre hånd i det palæ derinde, der har vi altså Frederik X og Kong Maris og deres 4 børns bolig. Now ladies and gentlemen, this is by design. We have the 4 pillars of he had gone to see a ballet and fell a little bit in love with the only notes A, B, C, and D, and so forth. And therefore you can go back home and say that you have played at the Royal Danish Opera. Så han havde lidt for mange penge, så han kender os den her bygning. You can see a 3-masted wooden ship. You can see a 3-masted so up on land on the right hand side you see a submarine. This is the